Wow, this is amazing. Thank you. This is incredible. I really appreciate this.
My pleasure. You deserve to be treated like a queen. Oh, but dear.
That's
How
strong.
was your day?
I had a really good day at work today. We finally got to see the prototype that we've been waiting. And it's everything that we expected. I think the client is going to really love it. This is delicious.
Is everything okay?
Yeah. Everything's alright.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything is okay.
What's wrong?
I'm just having this weird Did you put coconut milk in this?
It's my secret ingredient.
Oh, I'm allergic to
Oh
coconut.
my god, I'm so sorry.
Where's the bathroom?
I didn't know. First door to the left.
I'll be back. One sec. I'll be back.
Are you okay?
Oh my god, oh my god.